Scenario of Indian subcontinent after the decline of Harappa civilization 2000 BCE to 500 BCE. After the decline of Harappa civilization, once again Indian subcontinent reverted from bronze phase to copper phase, and different forms of copper using cultures came into existence. Later, Iron Age came into existence. Therefore, various cultures can be divided into copper phase and iron phase. Moving forward, copper phase. Under this, we can understand the following cultures and discuss them. First, Chalcolithic cultures. Second, late Harappan culture. Third, early stage of PGW, that is painted graveware culture. Fourth, early stage of megalithic culture. So let's try to read them in detail. First, Chalcolithic cultures. After the decline of Harappa civilization, the Harappan artisans moved to different regions. This further helps to promote the awareness of copper. This was one of the main reasons that after the decline of the Harappa civilization, more Chalcolithic settlements and cultures developed. For example, Kayatha and Malwa culture in central India. Ahar and Banas culture in southeastern Rajasthan, and Jorwe culture in Maharashtra. Second, late Harappan culture. These cultures were also Chalcolithic in their form, but since they were developed in the region of Harappan civilization and they were carrying the legacy of Harappan civilization, hence they were known as late Harappan culture. These culture include cemetery etch culture in Punjab, Haryana and Bahawalpur, Jhukar culture in Chanhudro, lustrous red pottery culture in Gujarat. Third, early stage of PGW culture, that is painted graveware. Painted graveware culture are generally supported to be associated with Vedic Aryans. This culture was associated with two phases, copper phase and iron phase. So far, total 750 sites have come to light in Indian subcontinent. These sites are spread to the region Punjab, Rajasthan, Haryana and Gangetic Basin. Some important sites are Nagar, Katpalan, Dadheri, and Bhagwanpura. Therefore, these sites were considered to be the extension of late Harappa culture. Fourth, early stage of megalithic culture. The people of megalithic culture were spread over entire Indian subcontinent. Generally, megalithic people were known for the construction of unique type of graves. They used so construct various types of graves as memorial. Later, they were categorized as a separate culture, but megalithic culture does not symbolize a single culture but a conglomeration of cultures. The initial phase of this culture is associated with the copper phase. Before the megalithic people, the Neolithic and Chalcolithic people continued the practice of burial inside the house, but the people belonging to the megalithic culture established their graves outside the residential area. Mostly megalithic sites were discovered in South India, but these sites were excavated from the other regions of Indian subcontinent as well. For example, in Vindhyaraj, Allahabad, Banda, Mirzapur, and Varanasi. In northeast India, Manipur. Similarly, the evidence of megalithic sites also found from Devasa near Jaipur and Kheda near Fatehpur Sikri. Moving ahead, Iron Age after 1100 BCE. Second phase of first point is second phase of PGW culture. The first phase of this culture was associated with the Copper phase and the second phase with Iron Age. The earlier evidence of this culture is found from the Ahichatra. Farming tools like sickle and spade have been obtained from Jhakheda. Paddy has been obtained from Hastinapur and barley and wheat from Ataranji Kheda. Next point, megalithic culture of South India. This culture was essentially associated with the Iron Phase. For example, Maski Brahmagiri in Maski Brahmagiri in Karnataka, Nagarjun Konda in Andhra Pradesh, Jonapani and Mahurjhari in Maharashtra. Next point, NBPW culture, Northern Black Painted Ware culture. Northern black polished ware represented the fine quality of pottery. Therefore, it is categorized as deluxe pottery. A culture named after it is known as NBPW culture. It is supposed to have started from 800 BCE onwards. It was having a larger geographical reach starting from Takshila in northwest to Tamluk in Bengal and Amravati in South India. From its early phase, it was associated with urbanization, burnt bricks, and punch marked coins. Therefore, it corresponded to Buddha age.